Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
你好，大家好，我是 Edison。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。And we're going to continue on everyday life vocabulary here, teach you how to say it in Hakka. And today, let's talk about something that's very important these days. 其实最近呢，常常会被呼吁说要多洗手。因为前一阵子呢，很多这个病菌的关系。Let's teach you some vocabulary that's associated with, washing your hands frequently. Okay? For instance, you always remind people, 吃饭前一定要洗手，对不对？
对。
Go wash your hands before having your meal. Moms always say that. 世界上的妈妈都是一样，都是会讲这句话。
所以我们今天就来教，吃饭前要洗手。
吃饭前要洗手哦。
吃番茄。
吃番茄哦，没有啊。
不是吃番茄，
不止吃番茄哦，吃西瓜。
好，那你吃番茄也要洗手咯。
吃牛肉饭、吃排骨饭都要洗手，不是吃番茄。
不是吃番茄啦，是吃饭前啦。
哦，这是吃饭前的意思哦。OK，
吃番前。
吃番前 ，that means before any meal。
爱洗漱。
爱洗漱哦，对，洗漱我们以前教过，好像在洗漱，可是是洗手的意思。
对。
Somehow it sounded like tomato for some reason, but anyways, that's what it means. Okay, please wash your hand before having your meal. 还有什么时候除了吃饭前要洗手，有一个时候一定要洗手，
就是上完厕所。
对，所以上完厕所也要洗手。Okay, that means after you use the bathroom, you have to wash your hands.
洗片手过後。
洗片手過後。
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 愛洗漱。
愛洗漱。Again, you gotta wash your hands after you use the John, all right?
那洗手海陸腔。洗手。
不太一樣齁。洗手 that's a different dialect. 要不然的話四線。
洗漱。
洗漱。Okay. And finally, just to remind people to, wash their hands more frequently. 这样子才不会生病嘛，对不对？ So you won't, catch a cold or, catch any germs. Wash your hands frequently so you can stay healthy.
客家洗漱。
客家洗漱就是客家洗手的对啊。
对，就要勤洗手，驚會薄病誒。
薄病誒，
就是生病
哦，被劈鬼啊，那種感覺，薄病誒，被薄逼胖啊，
被爆炸。
哦，就感覺好像生病了，對不對？
對。
That means getting ill in Hakka， 不怕生病。
驚會薄病誒。
驚會薄病誒。Do as we say, and you can stay away from those germs as much as possible, all right? That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.